Yeah, so we have so many creams, so you can choose your choice.
No,
So many what?
So many what?
Creams.
Creams?
Yeah, creams.
Oh, okay,
Then
okay.
You said creams.
Why are you teaching English?
No, creams is a different
Yeah.
something else.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
So, which is your type? You know.
I wanted a shower gel.
The
I think this one is the.
Baby.
Yeah.
Baby come.
What happened? Oh, okay.
What's it?
More a body scrub.
Oh yeah, we have body scrub. This is body scrub.
Okay.
Yeah, we have so many. You have so many different types. We have this one, and we have this one.
The
too.
polish.
Yeah, the polish one.
I've heard a lot about the polish.
Oh yeah, it gives you a smooth
Yeah,
skin.
it's made with coffee, right?
Coffee, yeah, you can use it for tea.
What? You can use this for tea too?
What is that? Like coffee. It's a coffee type.
No, it's made out of coffee.
What's it there? Tea.
It's tea.
Tea, no coffee.
Coffee, okay.
It's a body scrub.
It's a body
We
scrub.
use for the skin, like
Coffee color.
yeah, coffee color.
Is it good for stretch marks?
For stretch marks, every
Oh,
mask.
wow.
Oh, say oh wow.
Teacher.
Oh.
Yeah, how much is this?
It's Madam Chris, how much?
100 cities.
100
Oh,
cities,
this
yeah.
One, this one's 100 cities?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
If I think I'll take one of these.
Okay, so you don't like the body
I
scrub?
do. I want the shower
Me
gel.
wa baby o.
Okay.
Me so meet me fam. Me wa baby ye come meet
Let me
ye
get
ye
one
meet
shower
be
gel.
serious.
You want this?
Ana me cho say ye
No, this
ye meeting e wo baby ntimi nsa ma fie me fa o. Akra de.
Same shower.
I'll just get this.
Enti wa try ne ko. Me wa baby ye meeting serious. Why? Ye meeting pa why?
It's a moisturize.
Ana me see ye meeting. Ina me kase na nche.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Ye meeting. Why?
What was this one?
This
Okay, there's like the oils and the
the oil,
lotions.
like a perfume oil.
Perfume oil?
Yeah, oil
You
perfume.
yeah, no man can no man check no me.
Okay, so take this one too. Can you put this one to the side?
Okay, this is for the black people.
No, this is caramel.
Like, but if you're a black man, like
It says caramel glow
Washes.
on it. I don't
What's
know.
his name?
washes.
Name.
What is the name?
Yeah.
And I what? And I washes.
No, it's American.
I hear washes.
Okay, there's the extra light. Okay,
Extra lighting.
Okay, so let me get this is a daily moisture.
Oh yeah, daily
Okay, so let me
moisturize.
get
You
this.
use apply on daily.
Yeah, daily. Okay.
Okay.
Let me get this
So it is okay. Are you okay?
I'm still gonna look around. I need a face.
It takes you and
I'm gonna
I'm
get
on
a
the
face.
flower.
Are they? What kind of washes? And
His name.
washes. With this washes or washes?
I said, what's his name?
And this is a soap, facial.
Yeah, but this one is for oil. I have dry
Is it-
skin. This is for oily skin.
Oh, okay.
She's a dry skin.
I
She
have
so
dry
she can reach the sweat skin.
Okay.
No.
Okay, you guys have.
Of you would have got me do a German TV to
Hi. Excuse
Maybe
me.
you're open.
You have face like I see a face mask.
Oh yeah, it's a face mask. You apply before you wash your face.
Oh.
Yeah, you apply.
The Dead Sea mud.
the dead skin.
Oh, it's a peel off.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
And this one too is a booster.
Let me see.
It's a booster?
Yeah, you.
What is a boost?
You apply it on your skin after shower. Yeah, to give you a light skin.
The booster light skin.
Appromoduce.
Okay, I think
And I work carefully with you, because I didn't get booster and got minimal.
I think I'll take these two too. The
The
booster, give me the whole, give me everything.
The whole booster.
But say, oh, you are waiting, I'm waiting, I'm anything.
Oh yeah, you do everything here. All right. So is it okay?
Babe, I think I take it off.
It's here is. Film there.
I think it's okay.
Madame.
What about this one?
Hey, Madame.
Hey, customer.
Customer.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, nice.
And then baby through who you?
Is it okay?
This
Do you need
one.
something?
Oh, it smells good.
Oh yeah, it's a spray type.
Ooh,
Yeah, it's spray type.
it smells so good.
Very good.
It smells really good. What is it? What is this?
It's
Is it-
skin glow oil. Hey.
Oh, skin glow oil. Okay.
Power
Okay. I
down.
think I'll get.
Hello.
Babe, I think I'll get this too.
Hello, did you say? Babe.
Yeah.
Hey. Customer.
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 Yes, sir.
What the
Is he your boyfriend?
No, don't talk. Please sit, okay? No, she can't sit. No.
Now what you now? What's that?
Me. My friend, Sebra.
I have a salon. Bibi an just say on kasa yo nyese. I have a salon.
Bisa mo sane den. Wo de bisa. Mo mra pe me pa so.
You better say about what?
Pa water.
Say. Now you at least so we require for a while. Tell him say you are doing something.
You have a wife? Are you serious?
He didn't tell you.
He didn't tell me about he had a wife. I didn't know anything.
Wow.
You have a wife? Your name is what?
What down. Be just say Sebra.
Oh my god. I'm so sorry. I didn't know he didn't. Really? You have a wife?
You disappointed.
You're married and you didn't tell me? How could you do this to me? How could you do this to your wife?
What time is it?
You know what?
You have kids?
First born will say.
First one was 8 years. Second one was 6 years. Last one was 4 years.
That's only 2
2 years. 3 years.
That's what's why. I have a salon. I have female. I go away. Miss Show. Pacho Kabibina, you would because my eye confused. Say something! Easy, please. Pacho Tobo, madam. Say something! Say something! How could you do this to me? How could you do this to your own? You have kids! Are you serious right now? Are you serious? How could you do this to me? You didn't tell me you have a wife? You have kids? Are you serious? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you serious? Oh, this is that. What's your name? You tell me your name is Joseph. Joseph, and I want me to say, I beno. Can I mean, can I go your baby?
Joseph.
I worry. You have 3 kids. 3 kids.
How many
3 kids.
How many times you stay? How many years or how many times?
We've been together for 3 years.
Hey, when you what offer you?
He's been trying to talk to me for date me for 3 years.
Sure. Why they?
Hey, customer,
Oh what?
Customer.
Are you okay? Mama paso.
See how they
Me be you back.
Oh what?
What your mama paso? Mama paso.
Let me call the ambulance.
I'm from ambulance. Renya no sa not here. Onya emergency a. No person munadi. Fa body bra me tani ti so so. Wo na sa o sa so uta. Hey na beta. Wo fa bota wo. Wo.
Me shoe. I be why you know.
So I be me ko shiri be ma.
Nothing to say not here.
Sorry. Open life location ana.
How is so mu?
Mama life look.
How is so?
For the best.
Sa life location.
You have a whole wife and kids. What the hell is wrong with you? Why you don't tell the truth? What's that kind of crap? Huh? What's the same say?
When I'm one kind of credit, the banana pump my pedro into the you 3 years. Those were really not chair. No, but I'm born and can so. Papa B.
I'm so disappointed in this guy. I can't believe he would do this to me.
What happened? Listen. Calm down.
I'm so disappointed.
Calm down.
I didn't know he had a wife.
Rima song?
I didn't.
Rima, baby, calm down.
Okay.
Just calm down.
Okay, I'm coming down.
Why are you just giving your life to this just simple guy?
What do you mean simple guy? What are you talking about? How do you know
this man can't help you?
First of all, do you know what he does for me? This man can't help me. Now, who are you?
Do you know I'm
oh, shop why on now? Oh, Jale Papa, they don't. Why are you lying? Oh, you're from Famil. You're from Famil. You're from Famil. What have me poo?
Sir.
Nimbia.
Madam, media one way, yeah.
Maybe you want to go to
who be paying me to get him.
Simple guy. Come here. Come here.
I
don't know what to say. Where to say?
Oh, we go to me. Messa was my brother.